Introduction. The link between nutrition and mental health. Mental health has become an increasingly important topic in today's world. While much attention is given to the role of therapy, medication, and mindfulness in treating mental health conditions, one aspect that often gets overlooked is nutrition. You may be surprised to learn that what you eat can profoundly impact how you feel, think, and behave. Our diet influences our brain function, mood regulation, and even our risk of developing mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. Research has shown that the nutrients we consume play a critical role in brain health. From the foods we eat to the nutrients we absorb, our body relies on a well-balanced diet to function optimally. In this article, we'll explore how specific nutrients affect mental health, how diet impacts mood disorders, and practical dietary tips to enhance emotional well-being. Section 1. The science behind nutrition and brain health. 1.1 How the brain uses nutrients. Our brain, the most complex organ in our body, requires a constant supply of energy and nutrients to function properly. The brain uses nutrients in food to produce neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that help neurons, brain cells, communicate. These neurotransmitters are responsible for regulating mood, behavior, and cognitive functions. Some key nutrients that influence brain function include omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for brain cell structure and communication. Research indicates that omega-3s are associated with reduced rates of depression and cognitive decline. B vitamins. B vitamins, especially B12, B6, and folate, are involved in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which help regulate mood and energy levels. Low levels of these vitamins have been linked to increased risks of depression and anxiety. Amino acids. Amino acids, derived from protein, are the building blocks for neurotransmitters. Tryptophan, for instance, is an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of well-being and happiness. Antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens, help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with mental health conditions like depression and neurodegenerative diseases. 1.2 Neuroinflammation and mental health. Chronic inflammation in the brain has been identified as a key factor in the development of various mental health disorders, including depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Poor diet, particularly one high in processed foods and low in antioxidants, can exacerbate inflammation. On the other hand, consuming an anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help reduce brain inflammation and promote better mental health. Section 2. Diet and its impact on mood disorders. 2.1 The role of nutrition in depression. Depression is one of the most common mental health conditions worldwide, and nutrition plays a significant role in its prevention and management. Studies have shown that individuals who consume a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats are more likely to develop depression. Conversely, diets rich in whole foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins, have been associated with lower rates of depression. For example, a Mediterranean diet, which is rich in vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, has been linked to a decreased risk of depression. Research suggests that the anti-inflammatory properties of the Mediterranean diet may help protect against depression by reducing brain inflammation. Key nutrients for depression management. Magnesium. This essential mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body and has been shown to have mood-stabilizing effects. Low magnesium levels have been linked to depression and anxiety, and increasing magnesium intake may improve mood. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with higher rates of depression, particularly in individuals who have limited sun exposure. Foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks are excellent sources of vitamin D. Zinc. Zinc is involved in the regulation of neurotransmitter systems and has been shown to have antidepressant-like effects. Studies suggest that zinc supplementation may help alleviate symptoms of depression. 2.2 Nutrition and anxiety. Anxiety disorders, like depression, are influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. including diet. Nutritional deficiencies, particularly in vitamins and minerals, can exacerbate anxiety symptoms. For example, a deficiency in B vitamins or magnesium can increase susceptibility to anxiety, while an imbalance in omega-3 fatty acids may also contribute to heightened stress levels. Foods to combat anxiety. Whole grains, rich in magnesium. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent mood swings that may contribute to anxiety. Probiotics. Emerging research suggests that gut health is linked to mental health. Probiotics, found in fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut, can promote a healthy gut microbiome and reduce anxiety symptoms. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas, such as chamomile and valerian root, have calming effects and can help reduce feelings of anxiety. Section 3. The gut-brain connection. Why what you eat matters. 3.1 The role of the gut microbiome. Recent research has shed light on the crucial role that the gut plays in regulating mental health. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria that influence not only digestion but also brain function and mood. This is known as the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for maintaining mental health. An imbalance in gut bacteria, often caused by poor diet, can lead to increased inflammation and oxidative stress, which in turn can affect mood and behavior. Diets rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics can promote a healthy gut microbiome and reduce the risk of mood disorders. Gut-boosting foods. Fiber-rich foods. Foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are high in fiber, which nourishes the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which can support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and improve mental health. Polyphenol-rich foods. Foods such as berries, green tea, and dark chocolate are rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to improve gut health and reduce inflammation. Section 4. Practical dietary tips for enhancing mental health. 4.1 Building a brain-healthy diet. To support mental health, it's essential to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Here are some practical tips to build a brain-healthy diet. Incorporate omega-3 rich foods. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your diet at least twice a week. If you're vegetarian or vegan, consider plant-based sources of omega-3s, such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Choose whole foods over processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, which can negatively affect brain health. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Focus on antioxidants. Antioxidant-rich foods, such as berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts, can help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. These foods should be a staple in your diet to support overall mental well-being. Balance your macronutrients. Ensure that your diet includes a healthy balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Proteins provide amino acids that are essential for neurotransmitter production, while healthy fats support brain cell structure and function. 4.2 Meal timing and mental health. The timing of your meals can also impact your mental health. Eating regular, balanced meals throughout the day help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent mood swings and energy crashes. Skipping meals or eating irregularly can lead to irritability, fatigue, and heightened anxiety. Example meal plan for mental health. Breakfast: oatmeal with chia seeds, walnuts, and a handful of berries. Lunch: grilled salmon salad with mixed greens, avocado, and olive oil dressing. Snack: a handful of almonds or a small serving of yogurt with flax seeds. Dinner: quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables, lean chicken, and a side of kimchi. Section 5. The role of hydration in mental health. While nutrition is essential, hydration plays an equally important role in maintaining mental health. Dehydration can lead to poor concentration, irritability, and fatigue. It's crucial to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're consuming caffeine or alcohol, both of which can dehydrate the body. Hydration tips for mental health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Add herbal teas or flavored water for variety. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine, as they can lead to energy crashes. Conclusion: a balanced diet for a healthy mind. Nutrition plays a vital role in our mental health, from regulating mood and emotions to enhancing cognitive function. By consuming a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, antioxidants, and probiotics, you can support your brain's health and improve your overall mental well-being. While food alone may not be a cure-all for mental health disorders, combining a healthy diet with other lifestyle changes like exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management can lead to better mental health outcomes. Take small steps toward improving your diet, and with time, you'll notice the positive effects it has on your mind and body. Incorporating brain-boosting foods into your daily meals, staying hydrated, and maintaining a healthy gut are all crucial for long-term mental health. Start making these changes today, and give your brain the nutrients it needs to thrive.